So for this example, I used that the mechanical energy of A equals the mechanical energy of B. And basically how I did that is that the kinetic energy of A equals the plus the velocity of A equals the kinetic energy of B plus the velocity of B. And also that formula where it's that the, what's it called? The momentum equals the negative of the little m plus the big M times the velocity. And basically we kind of like plug in the numbers and we have that 1/2 of m plus big M v squared plus 0 equals 0 plus kx squared. So then we have v squared equals kx squared over m plus m, because we want to find what that velocity is first, and then we simplify it by getting the square root of this, and that v would equal the square root of 1,400 over 0.008 plus 4 kilograms, since those are the masses we're given and we're making them both into kilograms. So now we go ahead and plug in that v velocity that we have into that equation that we have for that momentum, that I. So we have I equals 0.008 plus 4 kilograms times 1,400 divided by 0.008 plus 4 kilograms, and we get the square root of that times 8.9 times 10 to the negative 2, which is our displacement of x, what that tells us. And then when we multiply all of these together, we get the I equals 6.6, which is closest to 6.7 newtons per second.